Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are doing a lemon and lime drizzle loaf cake from Wessex Mill. To begin with, we need 175 grams of butter. I did soften mine just to be safe, and then 175 grams of caster sugar, and then just mix those together until smooth. And then we will be finally zesting our lemon and lime rind into the bowl. It says 2 teaspoons of lemon rind and 1 teaspoon of lime. I just chucked it all in there. I would also say you're going to need a second lemon for the juice because we need 75 ml later. We will then be adding 3 eggs, one at a time, give it a mix, then add your next one, and then sifting in flour and bicarbonate of soda. That is 175 grams of plain flour and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. We will then be adding 2 tablespoons of milk and then putting it into your 2-pound loaf tin. This will be going in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. Once your cake is out, we're going to leave it in the tin. We are putting holes in the top, whether you want to use a knife or like a barbecue skewer. We then need 75 ml of lemon juice. That's why I said we need 2, because I think I got 33 to 35 out of 1 lemon, and 75 grams of caster sugar. And then just pour that on top, kind of prioritizing the holes that you've just made. Then once it's cold, you can take your cake out of the tin. We will then be making our lime icing. It's 75 grams of icing sugar and 2 teaspoons of lime juice. I didn't measure mine. Mine was quite a wet mix, so I don't know if it was just too much, probably. So just as a heads up, it might be easier to actually put this in an icing bag when you do go to do it, instead of what I did was just kind of pour it on top. And then at least you'll get a better idea of the consistency and making sure it's all mixed in properly. You're then going to line or zigzag that over the top of your cake. Let me know how you get on, and if you make this one, as always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.